All right, thanks for clicking. I bet I know why you're here. You have a mouse or mice problems in your garage and you want to get rid of them. Well, hopefully this video can help you out. This happened to us, not too long ago. We actually found some mouse remnants that was actually living in the engine compartment to one of our vehicles and had chewed through some wires and done hundreds of dollars worth of damage, actually. And so we're going to be solving that problem today. Hopefully with this can give you some ideas. Now you see that little hole right there? A mouse can actually squeeze through a small hole the size of a dime or so, as I understand it. And so what we're going to be doing here is with the lights off, obviously on, we're going to be looking at the corners to where that garage door actually closes, and we're going to be looking for any entrance holes. So make sure it's daytime outside, because you want to be able to see. Let's turn off the lights a little bit here, and you want to look for any sunlight coming through. You can see we've got a little bit there, not too bad. And you're going to ask yourself that question: is it a gap, a hole, or not? Right now there might be some natural sunlight coming through, but for the most part we don't want any holes. Now if you do find a hole, what we're going to do is take out some good old-fashioned stainless, or some steel wool, okay? Go to the store, buy a bag, it's like a couple bucks, and you're going to jam that steel wool into the holes. Now what you're looking at here is that. And then I took some colored caulking, a cheap bottle of colored caulking, and I just squirted that and filled it up. So this idea that if a mouse wants to penetrate through there, it has to chew through the caulking and the steel wool, and guess what? Mice don't do that. They don't eat steel wool. Now, my garage, when it was built, you can see that 2x4 was actually cut a little short. So that is actually where the little bugger was getting in. So you can see here, it's not the cleanest job. You can certainly do a better job than I can. But what we did was jam pack that with steel wool, and again, shoot it with a colored caulking to match the exterior of your home. And guess what? Mouse problem is solved. So check that out. All the corners where the garage door closes, and seal them out. Now, if they're already in your garage, you're going to have to get out mouse traps, but that's an entirely different story. But anyway, we'll stop the video there. Hopefully this has helped you out. Click that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more do-it-yourself solutions.